Good afternoon, Miss Neesmith's Budding Scientists. So this is a follow-up mini lesson based on our exploration that we just completed. So I want to take a second and remind you about what we were doing with our explanation. For one, you were pretending to be the Earth. You held a model in front of you that was symbolizing the moon. So for instance, when you were standing facing the illuminated screen, which served as the sun, the model appeared to be a black sphere. If you look on the diagram, you can see where that is designated as the new moon. As we slowly turned to the right, we would see that the light appeared to grow. Now, the moon didn't change, the sun didn't change, and you didn't change. The only thing that changed was the position. As you continued to move to the right, you saw more and more of your model, again representing the moon, until your back was against the screen or the sun, and you saw a fully illuminated model. Then you continued to turn to the right, and you saw that that light seemed to shrink. Now, again, you didn't change, the moon didn't change, and the sun didn't change. The only thing that changed was the relative position. Now I want you to look at the diagram inside the drawings of the moon. You see that the circles are all showing one side that's illuminated. However, what you saw were different amounts of illumination. So what I want you to think about now is why, if there's still one side of the moon that is always illuminated, why do you see a different amount of light as you rotate? Another thing I want you to think about is comparing the first quarter and the last quarter. These are the positions where you are 90-degree angles from the sun. Compare the light. At the last quarter, the earth, the moon, and the image of what you see is all the same. However, on the first quarter diagram, the earth, the moon are the same, yet what you see is different. So when we come back to class, I would like you to be able to explain to me why you see something different in the last quarter than the first quarter, yet the same amount is illuminated.